Day evening. I just want to tell you what we are going to be doing for Friday and Saturday. We are, since the weather's been so beautiful, we have been doing a little bit of spring cleaning. So we have got a 60% off rack and an 85% off rack. So those are going to be Friday and Saturday. And weather permitting, Allie looked it up on her phone, and it's supposed to be cooler, but the sun's going to be out, and it's not supposed to be quite as windy as it is today. So we will either have them on the front porch, or if it's too chilly, we will have them inside. So I just want to go through and show you a few things that are on our front porch sale. This is like a twin set that you can match up from Ming Wang. We have not featured Ming Wang before, and we are kind of retiring Ming Wang from our store. So we are featuring these at 60% off. I have quite a few, couple of twin sets in extra small, and I have got some in small, and I have even got a beautiful dress and jacket combo. So this is great for those spring or fall weddings that you may be attending. They also do a great knit bottom. I have two different links in it, and it's kind of like, if you're not familiar with Ming Wang, it's going to be kind of like a St. John knit if you're familiar with those. It's really a nice fabric, and they are seasonless. I have got a full-length pant as well as an ankle pant. I have some tanks in that, and I actually have a long skirt with a long skirt with a nice slit in that as well. So that's something that I have not featured. Oh my goodness, we may be having a windblown sale here, ladies. You may get more than woo! Let's see, we've got tops like this that can be worn as a jacket. This is linen, so this would be great for spring. As far as summer, let's see, I'm trying to, here's a nice Alley Miles top. So everything on this rack, there's a couple of 1X things on this rack that's 60% off, and then most of the 85% off you have seen that we have had throughout the season, because they are the last of the last. So,
I kind of just scan it.
Okay, this is just one nice jacket that I'm looking at. It's $132. It's a medium, and it's really a weight that you could wear anytime. So anyway, if you want to just look, and I have several pieces in the 1X and 2X in those as well.
It's a medium. I've got that in a medium. We've got this parsley and sage top in a large, $59 originally, and then it'll be 85% off. There's a couple Margaret Winter sweaters, the yellow, and then we've got the black with the purple and pink pockets. We've got a Carib top in a large, this multiples gold in a large.
These are extra
I'm sorry,
larges.
these are extra large. So there's several things on here, and if for some reason you can't come in and you want us to show you what we have, you can always send me a message or a comment. We can set up a time to FaceTime, or I can send you pictures of what we have. But if you want to talk about the shoe.
Yep. And also we are going to do our Charleston bootlets that we have, as well as there are some Onyx shoes that are over there, and we are going to do those for Friday and Saturday, $20. So if, like Allie said, if you're interested in sizes or knowing what we have, we're happy to FaceTime you. So that's kind of what we've got going on this weekend. We will be starting, I'm going to do another video later on that I will start to show you some of the new spring things that have come in, ladies. It is absolutely beautiful. It makes spring want to be here so bad. The weather cooperate with us wanting to wear these new things. So anyway, they're absolutely gorgeous, and we will be showing you and featuring those. So, but come in this weekend and help us to get rid of the last of what we have. So we hope to see you soon, and thanks again for watching.